I Hades 117. What? I can't exactly read the message because I am a black fella. There's 117. NZ, I'm willing to apologise for saying don't muncher, luncher, bruncher, duncher, funcher, because I have a mouth of a mum and responsible for being like this. I also scored 1,600 microwave points because I am a walking, living, breathing cock magnet. Can't believe I didn't see that coming.
I, Ghost Killer, won 1,600 Microsoft points because Braddock said I would get some once I say my mom is a MILF. I like blue waffles. I say my mom is a MILF. Hey Ranger Fortune, what's up?
Dude, what the frick is your problem?
The fuck is my problem for what? I haven't even been in your game, so really, what is the problem?
What the heck?
What, cause I won't join your party or what?